Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Margate, local and long-distance movers near me. The right long-distance movers will make your move much easier. Not only will they provide transportation, but also other services. Our movers provide all the following for your move: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It can be hard to rationalize hiring a local moving company in Florida. At first, however, looking at the cost of a local move compared to other benefits can provide all the reasons you need to use professional movers. Not only will your movers know how to pack and handle your items safely, but they will also save you time. You'll be able to focus on other parts of your move. An experienced team of movers, such as 3 movers, can speed up your moving process. If you're interested in getting settled into your new home faster, we're happy to help. We can get you moved in just a few hours or a single day, even if the move is large enough that it will take you a week to handle on your own. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Martgate moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.